Hello guys and welcome back to another video of, guys, I haven't really been feeling that well, so I haven't really been catching up with YouTube lately. I'm very sorry about that. Well, I'm back with Mafia Revenge. I just updated the game again. I don't know. I don't really like this. I like this though. This. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. I did not know this. I could be Rose. She doesn't really have that good of stuff though, like me. I have a ton of good stuff. Ooh, I could get a new car. I could get the buck. Get the back. For the batch. Get that. It's pretty good. Whoo! Boom. Really good car right there. And my numbers. Hey guys. Boom. Let's battle someone. Haven't played this game in so long. On my chest. Open some chat. Ooh. Ravager. I think I used that gun. Pretty sure I used that gun, yeah. Oh, I can't. I wasted all my money. So we'll have to open more. This one looks really cool. Let's do it. Ranked. I'm gonna win a loot box. If you guys don't know where I play most of my games, it's in my bed. That's why you're gonna hear a lot of creaking, because I have a bunk bed and it's pretty old. Isn't really creaking, but it sounds like a creak, so I'm gonna say it's a creaking. It is cold. It's been cold lately. Ooh, versing Rose. Shoot, that was horrid. Oh yeah, takes up the engine.
I'll cover for you.
Reload. It's always good to take out the car first. Whoops, that was horrid. Plus.
We're on a roll. Take this.
Killer shot. Still pretty good at this game. Haven't lost in a while. Haven't played in a while. Ooh, bronze 3. Bronze 2 actually. Whoops. Oh, and guys, a really fun game I'm gonna play next. Super fun, alright. War times 3. Guys, I'm right now, my recorder, maybe some of you guys might want to know, but my recorder is, I record games with Go Recorder sometimes other things, but right now I'm going with Go Recorder. Pretty good, I use it sometimes. Hornet. Equip that instead of this. I need to come here, and yeah, I can't do that yet. Open the story box. I hate the members. I don't really think they do anything. I don't know what's wrong with the story, but it doesn't let me do those. It's really annoying. Maybe I have to get 3 stars. That might be. Oh yeah, the members give me money. Okay, now I remember how to play this game. Just remember that I'm getting this. And going like this is good.
I'll cover for you. Take this. Killer shot.
Killer shot. I got a headshot on him also. Dude, that gotta be good. Clear. Do I have to play it again? I think I have to play it like 3 times. Characters. Sophie! Silver 3 for you. 2,000. Come here. Get a family. Is it my family? No, it's not. Forget how to work. Missions? Use any skill. Casual match, okay. He's just murked me. Okay, no. Okay. He's not a beast. Good. Oh, guys, I play Fortnite, by the way, but I don't really upload it because I need an actual camera for that. Okay, good. Just making sure I'm still
Guns loaded, ready.
uploading. This is probably going to be my last.
You're on a roll. Take this. Here first. Let me handle it. Take this. I'll You're on a roll. Take this. You're on a roll. Take this. I've got your back. Take this. You're on a roll. Take this. I'll cover for you. You're on a roll. Take this.
Gosh darn it, guys. So, guys, I'm gonna upload this
Maybe
video
next
and
time,
then
if you get lucky.
make another video on the game I was talking about, like, practically just now. So, that's pretty good, guys. That's practically it. So, see you guys in the next video. Peace.